Ever wondered how Siri understands you or how Google Translate works so fast? That's NLP in action. Natural language processing is the tech that helps machines make sense of human language. But it's not just about chatbots anymore. From analyzing legal documents to detecting fake news, NLP is solving real-world problems. Let's dive into the latest techniques that are making NLP smarter, faster, and more useful than ever. Transformers changed the NLP game. Unlike older models that processed text sequentially, transformers look at entire sentences at once. This allows them to understand context better. Models like BERT and GPT use this architecture to generate human-like text, summarize articles, and even write code. The key innovation? Attention mechanisms that let the model focus on the most relevant words. It's like giving the model a highlighter for meaning. Zero-shot and few-shot learning are revolutionizing how we train NLP models. Traditionally, models needed thousands of labeled examples. Now, with zero-shot learning, a model can perform tasks it's never seen before just by understanding instructions. Few-shot learning needs only a handful of examples. This is huge for industries with limited data, like rare disease diagnosis or niche legal analysis. It's efficiency without sacrificing performance. Pre-trained language models are the backbone of modern NLP. Think of them as the Swiss Army knives of language tasks. Trained on massive datasets, they can be fine-tuned for specific jobs, like sentiment analysis or contract review. This transfer learning approach saves time and resources. Instead of building from scratch, you adapt a generalist model to become a specialist. It's plug-and-play intelligence for language. Real-world NLP isn't just about tech, it's about impact. In healthcare, NLP extracts insights from clinical notes to improve diagnoses. In finance, it flags suspicious transactions by analyzing communication patterns. In customer service, it powers chatbots that actually understand you. These aren't science fiction, they're deployed today. The challenge? Making models robust, fair, and explainable. Because when machines interpret language, the stakes are human. Ethics in NLP is no longer optional. Bias in training data can lead to discriminatory outputs. Imagine a hiring algorithm that favors certain names or a chatbot that misunderstands dialects. Researchers now focus on fairness, transparency, and accountability. Techniques like debiasing embeddings and explainable AI are gaining traction. The goal? NLP that works for everyone, not just the majority. Because language is diverse, and so are its users. So, where do you start with NLP? Begin with open source tools like Hugging Face Transformers or SPASI. Experiment with pre-trained models and try fine-tuning them on your own data. Use datasets from Kaggle or the NLP section of the UCI repository. The field is moving fast, but the barrier to entry has never been lower. Dive in, build something, and be part of the language revolution.